Hi you guys, Lael Kankar with Simple Stories. We're back looking at another simple set. This one is Happy Easter. And I just love what our designers did with this collection. It's a super soft, sweet Easter collection. So we look at the collection kit here. Those give you 2 each of the 3 different papers, along with that darling 6x12 sticker sheet. So look at the floral bunny artwork. Like I said, isn't that just beautiful? Then we move into the papers. So you have your combo 3x4 and 4x6 element sticker. A nice good stripe. There's that beautiful, just beautiful Easter paper. Nice and sweet. A beautiful soft floral. Another floral. I mean, we can never get too many flowers in our lives, right? And then rounding that up with a nice, soft, sweet pink polka dot. And that is Happy Easter from Simple Stories.
This video was filmed by Scrapbook.com at the 2018 AFCI Creativation event. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you liked this video. Happy crafting!